my umbrella won't fly away.
It's open.
You're open.
Put the air down there and go. No, there's one person on the street. Nobody's good. The wind is picking up. Whoa. Okay, oh gosh. Here we go. Okay, we can do this. Okay, okay. Let's go. Look at this. I have water in my pocket. Actually, the rain was nothing over. You might get it in the eye. When the eye does, quickly just go. Don't look at the wall. Okay. So we're going to the mall tomorrow, so we'll take a hurricane. Oh, yeah, mall hurricane. Okay. So, we're moving again. We want to show you the flooding, but we have plenty of things. Our camera guys got fired.
You don't have a camera guy. Alright. Here comes the camera. I don't know what you guys can see or what you can't, but I'm taking you out. Okay, we're going to show you some flooding that we got. That's already flooded.
Yeah.
Alright, that right there. Flooded. Okay, so we're going to walk through it here. Walk through it. I'll show you some more flooding. We're getting this. All that's flooded.
That's a foot, people. That's a foot. That's a
A whole foot.
You understand that? That's a foot of water.
We're just getting poured on. Oh, sorry, my hand's in the way.
And look over there. Those drains. Come on, Rachel. Come.
Oh!
Come on. Come on.
I'm trying to protect your camera here.
Give me the camera.
Oh, snap.
Take cover.
Hold on, guys. Look at all this crap. That's debris everywhere. I'm walking under a tree here. Here's Rachel. Look at those. Look at those things spin. Look at those things spin. Those things are crazy. Those things are spinning like crazy. Here's Rachel. Look at this. We're getting poured. Bad. Okay. We're going to let you guys go. And if the storm gets worse, we'll record it.
And look, there's guys over there looking at us. Those guys.
Peace.
Peace.